Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to import bookmarks in Google Chrome. So sometimes you may have another browser or another computer and you want to import bookmarks. So today I'm going to show you how you can import bookmarks to your Google Chrome. So as you can see, my bookmarks are currently empty. So to import bookmarks, what we need to do is go to the top right corner and click on the three dots button. After clicking on this button, you'll see an option that says Bookmark and Lists. Hover over it. Then when you have a list of options, you'll see an option that says Import Bookmark and Settings. Click on that. So after clicking that, it will redirect you to the following page. And what you'll find is the Import Bookmark settings. So first of all, you can import from a browser. In this case, it's Microsoft Internet Explorer. And then you can check off the browsing history, bookmarks, search engines, and finally all you have to click on is on import. So as you can see, after clicking on import, it says that the bookmarks are ready. So to finish up, click on done. So this is one way to import bookmarks and settings. Another way is, again, we'll click on the setting, import bookmark and settings, but instead of importing from a browser, we'll import from an HTML file. So sometimes you can export bookmarks in an HTML file. That can be either from Firefox, Brave, or any other browser. So this looks like the following page. So this is a bookmark export. So this is what it will look like. So to import this file, what we need to say is choose the file here. And here is the file. Click on it. Then click on open. And it says the bookmarks are ready. To finalize, click on done. Now, as you can see on our bookmark bar, it is full of different websites and it says it's imported. So this is how you import bookmarks in Google Chrome. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.